Today, when looking at writing, we're going to look at a certain part of it, and that's writing in the moment, looking very closely at a moment, like a seed moment, focusing in on it, like you have a little magnifying glass, and zooming in on that moment so that we're staying just within like 2 minutes, maybe, of the character's life, and really getting a picture painted of that. So, the first question is going to be, or I guess the big question is, how do you keep your writing tied to the moment? Keeping it from going too far, trying to paint too big of a picture and getting lost. So I'm taking a scene from Scrooge, the animation movie, and there's a very good part where Marley's coming through the door. Starting a moment in the middle of an action really keeps us in that moment. Then using dialogue is another way of keeping us in that moment. But the key thing that we're going to be looking at today is details. And we're going to use this movie trailer clip as a way of focusing in on those details. Okay, so in this movie trailer, we're going to look just at this one moment, this scene here, and see how many details we can get out of it. So, what is the character doing? Now, we have the character Scrooge is hiding behind the chair, so we're wondering, what is he seeing in this scene? What things is he hearing? Now, some of these are going to be inferred because we don't know it from the scene, but we can make some inferences. What is he smelling, touching, feeling, and tasting? Now, those ones are a little harder to find some details, but some scenes they might work with. And then after you've, of course, focused on those senses, you also, what is he doing? Or what is being done in this scene? And the last couple things are, what is the character thinking and feeling? Another way of keeping us in the moment. So, you answer these questions, and I'll get you a lot of details to work with. So, this final slide is just a fun one to show that when you put in all these features, all the senses, all the things that are happening in the moment, you put it all together for the reader. And then you're able to paint that picture in the reader's head. You get to create that picture the way you want to as the writer. So just as this picture is starting to come into focus here by all the little details I'm adding, so will your picture that you want in your that you're writing about, that you want in the reader's head. There you go. This moment's starting to come to life.